Assalamu alaikum class 2. Today we are starting our new chapter number 2, parts of computer. In this chapter we will study different parts of computer as the list is shown over here. These are the contents of the chapter. For your convenience I have categorized these topics or these devices into particular category. Topic 1, input devices. In this category we will study these three devices: keyboard, mouse and microphone, because they are input devices. Second topic or second category is about output devices. Following are the output devices I have categorized over here: monitor, printer, speaker and headphones. Third topic is about the memory devices. I have categorized all the memory devices of this chapter over this section. Okay, let's talk about computer system. So what is a computer system? As we have discussed earlier in the previous chapter, that a complete computer system has four main parts: monitor, keyboard, mouse and CPU. All these four parts combine together to make a complete computer system. Okay, today we will discuss the two devices of this main system, computer system. Okay, devices. First we will discuss what are devices. Devices are the objects that are designed for performing any particular task. Yes, all the devices that you see in the previous list of content are designed for different particular tasks. For example, keyboard is designed for typing, and mouse is designed for clicking and selecting options, and microphone is used for recording sounds, and vice versa, and other devices also have other jobs to do. Input devices. This is our today's topic. Let's look at the definition. Input devices are those that are used to enter data into the computer system. Yes, for example, keyboard. We use keyboard for typing. We use mouse for clicking. We use microphone for recording sound. Input devices, as you can see that onto the screen we have three input devices: keyboard, mouse and microphone. And how do they input to the system? They input the system through their specified category. Like keyboard, we use keyboard to give input to the computer by typing on it. That the words or the letters that we type onto the keyboard is transformed into the form of the signals in zeros and ones, and then it's interpreted. After interpretation, it is then entered to the computer system. Similarly, same is in the case of the mouse. When we click or select option onto the screen, the location, the point where we are clicking is converted or interpreted in the form of signals and sent to the computer system. And microphone, what is the main function of microphone? The main function of microphone is to record sound. The sound is converting into the digital signals, and these signals are saved into the computer system. Means all three devices, these three devices I have shown over here, they are giving input data. Okay, they are just giving data to the computer system, so they are termed as input devices. Keyboard. Let's take a detailed view of the keyboard. It is a typing device. Yes, it has so many keys on it. It has total 104 keys. Okay, it has different type of keys. What different type of keys it has? It has alphabetic key. Alphabets are obviously 24 alphabets we have, so we have 24 alphabetic keys, and they are placed in the middle of the keyboard. As you can see that we use them to write or type text, words and sentences. Numeric keys. Numeric keys are the keys that are used for typing numbers. On the keyboard we have two sets of number keys. One is above the alphabetic key and other set is in the numeric keypad. Function keys. As the name implies that these keys have particular functions saved into it. If you want to quickly save your document, open anything and refresh your screen, these all keys have special functions to perform, and they are placed on the top side of the keyboard above the number alphabet and number keys. Okay. Number 4, special keys. Yes, special keys have special functions to do, and they are in the single set or double set. We can say that, for example, escape key, if you want to skip any window, you will use escape key, or you want to skip any window or dialog box, you will use escape key. Second is tab, caps lock and shift. They have all different uses. Enter, backspace and shift. As you can see that we have two sets of shift keys and two sets of enter keys and two sets of delete key as well. In the center, which key I am talking about? I am talking about this key. This is called the cursor control keys. These keys are used to navigate the cursor onto your screen. Means that they are using to move the cursor up and down, left and right direction. So they are called cursor control keys. Okay. The second set of enter key is given in the numeric keypad and also the delete key. Okay. Next we have mouse. As we all know that it is a pointing device. When we move our mouse onto the smooth surface, the pointer on the screen, it moves simultaneously in the synchronization of the mouse that we are holding in our hands. This mouse pointer that the arrow shows onto the screen is called a pointer. This pointer points at anything, and if you want to click it, because of this pointer we call this device a pointing device. We use it for clicking or selecting options on the screen. Yes, we use this for clicking and selecting options on the screen. It has 3 buttons. Our mouse has 3 buttons. Left button for clicking anything, for selecting any picture, any object. Right button for opening list of commands, list of options. And number 3rd, scroll button. This button is used to scroll the page up and down. This is the scrolling button. Okay. Microphone. Yes, what is a microphone? It is a sound recording device. Microphone is a basically sound recording device. It is attached to the computer to record sound. We use it to record sound. Okay. Recap of the topic. What we have discussed today? We have discussed devices. Computer system means complete computer system with 4 parts. Okay. Input devices: keyboard, mouse and microphone. Time for your homework. Question 1. Write these questions into your notebook. Name the 4 parts of computer system. Okay. You have one-sided blank. So when you write the names of the 4 parts of the computer system, what are those? Number 1, computer system has 4 main parts. Number 1, keyboard, mouse, monitor, CPU cabinet. When you have written these answers, so what you have to do, in front of these line page you have a blank page. You have to draw a complete computer system with 4 parts. Okay. Question number 2, write 2 points about keyboard. You can take help from the previous pages or previous section. Question number 3, write 2 points about mouse. Okay, you can also refer to the previous topic. Question number 4, define the following. It means you have to write the definitions of devices and input devices. That's all for today. I hope you will understand the topic. The topic is very interesting. This is about all the devices that you use in the computer system. I hope you have a very good interest in this chapter. Okay, this is all from now. Allah Hafiz.